is Emil Tarnowski. I'm the Vice President of Operations and Supply Chain. I work for Genpack Incorporated. Genpack is a manufacturer of private label laundry and dish products. This particular facility manufactures the automatic dish tablets. We manufacture for some of the largest retailers in North America and internationally. The machinery that you see behind me is a system designed by a company called Eagle Packaging. The system is designed to take packages that are called stand-up pouches. They're a common package used for small quantities of our product. The equipment takes the SUPs, collates them, brings them to the packaging station where the material is put into small cases that are also produced on the Eagle packaging line. We have the Eagle case erector, we have a collating device, and we have an assembly packaging area, as well as a case sealer. We like to think that the equipment is superior to most. It's why we selected it. Overall, the equipment is good value, price competitive. The performance is high, low maintenance cost. And we were able to reduce manpower. So far, the machinery has been operating flawlessly. We have a fairly good response from Eagle in the event that we have any issues. So overall, we're very pleased with the performance of the equipment. Another strong selling feature of the Eagle equipment is the local service. We're able to get service within a day because of the location here. The internet's a good source of information for us, so we basically look for equipment. We specify what we're looking for in terms of performance, collating, sorting, whatever. And the Eagle equipment, when we looked at it, it looked good. Actually, we're looking at automating the second line that we have here. So when the time is right, we would get virtually the same identical system. We're pleased with the performance.